So I wake up this morning and I look in the mirror and I was just saying, "Oh, thank you, universe. You're treating me so well. I am so amazing. You made me feel like I am more than I can ever think I can be. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe." Guys, go and click on this link and see that every single one that goes on this link is going to be surprised. They're going to love it. You're going to want to do this. And you're going to see, even if you are from a village, guys, this is great. I can be called anything they want to call me. And I'm telling you, I'm still going to have the biggest smile because you know what? I dare to click on the link, and the link took me to paradise. You go and have a look and see for yourself. Financial trouble. What is that? Yes, you go and have a look and you just love yourself for being so wise and click on the link to go and have a look. The link is in my bio.